Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, the Elephant Diaries. This is the only place where you may learn about elephant behaviors, struggles, and other extraordinary acts. Before moving on, there is a reminder. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any newly uploaded videos. Now, let's move on. This video showcases the unwavering courage, determination, and love these officials bear in their hearts toward these majestic giants. Fortunately, a few villagers observed this limping elephant wandering around the forest in extreme pain, so they notified the Wildlife Conservation Office regarding the condition of the elephant. After listening to the villagers' description of the elephant, they realized it was the elephant they had treated a few days before. Then, wildlife conservation officers and veterinary professionals rushed to the jungle to check the elephant's health. They were able to confirm the description of the elephant with a huge swelling on its leg. This elephant was shot and suffered serious injuries. We previously uploaded a video capturing the elephant's treatment and recovery journey. According to the most recent update, the officials are completing the second round of treatment for the elephant, with a dedicated officer monitoring its treatment on the wound. During this round of treatment, officials tackled a large abscess that had formed on the elephant's leg. The abscess is filled with pus, so the doctor decides that the abscess should be drained. However, before beginning treatment, the team sedates the elephant to ensure its safety and reduce potential hazards. To assure the elephant's and the team's safety, officials use a tranquilizer gun to dart the sedative drug and wait for it to take effect. Once the elephant is sedated, the crew may safely check and treat its wounds. Cleaning the elephant's abscess is an important component of the medical treatment and must be done properly. That is why the team works tirelessly to clean thoroughly. Despite the elephant's wild status, the team of experts remains focused and committing to providing the best practical care for the animal. While this process is carried out, some officials take steps to administer multivitamins, antibiotics, painkillers, anti-inflammatory drugs, and other medications to the injured elephant. During the treatment process, one of the officials meticulously cleans a pus-filled abscess, pushing out all the infected tissue. They inject disinfectant solution into the area. This could help them to clean the pus-filled abscess deeply. They inject it in several areas to make the process more quick. It's important to point out that treating wild animals is a dangerous activity, and the team bears a huge risk when working with these wild elephants. Of course, the dedication and affection of those who work tirelessly to save elephants around the world cannot be underestimated. These individuals understand the seriousness of the situation and the necessity of conserving these majestic animals for future generations. Their love and passion for these animals motivate them to persevere and devise novel solutions to the issues that elephants face in the wild. Their efforts demonstrate the resiliency of the human spirit as well as the relevance of wildlife conservation. A veterinarian doctor makes a cut on the elephant's leg to remove the pus and other bacteria that are stuck in its abscess. In 2023, 470 elephants died, with human actions making up about half of this total. In the same time frame, 176 people were murdered in elephant interactions, as many communities found themselves on the forefront of a rising conflict between humans and elephants. Human-elephant conflict, which results from unpleasant interactions between humans and elephants, is a major contribution to this rising figure. This poses a major risk to both elephants and people. Currently, Sri Lanka has the highest number of elephant deaths due to human-elephant conflict in the world. The increase in numbers is related to fragmentation, habitat degradation, and expanding human populations. Gunshots, jaw bombs, electrocution, and poisoning are some of the most common human-caused elephant deaths. Elephants are frequently harmed by weaponry designed for other species. However, some attacks are planned. Under Sri Lankan law, killing an elephant carries the death penalty, yet lighter judgments, such as fines, are considerably more common. A deep investigation is carried out to capture the criminals who have carried out this unpleasant activity. To promote healing and avoid infection, the doctor injects a combination of povidone iodine and negasunt powder into the cleaned abscess. Then, the elephant is administered the necessary dosage of revival drug based on the body weight of the elephant. That is the end of this treatment mission. Thank you for hanging on till the end. Make sure you like the video and share the video with your friends. Let's meet again with another mission to save the wildlife.